Greetings. This is my review of the Medline Transport Wheelchair that you can get off of Amazon for around 120 bucks. And my relative has been using it now for 3 months and she loves it. It'll hold up to 250 pounds, so a person's 250 pounds. I think 120 is very affordable for a wheelchair. Medline's a pretty good name brand. To show you about the features, it's collapsible, so you can transport it really easy. You can put it in your car. It'll fit actually in the passenger car. It'll fit in the van, truck, whatever. So it's collapsible. And if we push this forward here, it'll collapse a little bit more, like that. So it's very mobile. You can lock the wheels. And to lock the wheels, the only thing you can do is push this forward, both of them forward. And so that's your brake. You can collapse the back of the chair by pushing these two forward. And this will actually go down to all the way down if you want it to. It's got a seat belt on it, as you can see. Seat belt. It's got the two leg rests right here. Okay, and you can strap the legs here, put the seat belt on. If you need to, you can completely remove these completely if you wanted to. If you just want to go to the on the side, like say if you're going somewhere and you want to step out, go like that, and the same thing, you just push here. Okay, and this will actually physically remove as well. But it's made out of steel, and I don't think you can go wrong with that price. Whenever you see this, it might be a little bit more, who knows, depending on this. 2025 now, so you know prices go up, sometimes they go down. All right, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.